myself. My name is Yohanisna Sabiradeda. You can call me Masha. I come from Nagikio. I live in Ende, police station Samratulangi Street. I was born 29 August 2005. I am 19 years old. My hobby are playing football, playing futsal ball, playing volleyball, and playing badminton. I graduation from SMA Santo Franciscus Xaverius Buawai. My favorite color is bright blue and black. My favorite food is fried rice. My favorite drinks is water. I was born into a simple family. I have one only brother and 4 younger siblings. My father name is Elentarius Sigawea. My mother name is Magdalena Ujawea. My parents' job are farmer. Thank you.